HDB resale prices, they saw a slight uptick in the fourth quarter of 2015, their first increase in more than 2 years. But experts say it's still too soon to say for sure if the resale market is recovering. And meanwhile, private property prices continue to slip for the ninth straight quarter under pressure from rising interest rates and new projects coming online. Patrick John Lim with more.
Falling HDB prices were arrested in the final quarter of 2015 as flash estimates from the Housing and Development Board showed a 0.2% increase from the previous quarter. This stems 9 straight quarters of decline. However, analysts were cautious in declaring a recovery in the HDB market. And with the Housing Board planning to launch about 18,000 new BTO flats in 2016, this could also set some demand from the resale market.
I think that we need to see at least 2 or more consecutive quarters of increase in the price index before we can confirm that the HDB resale market has truly turned a corner. There will still be downwards pressure. However, I think that the HDB resale flat prices are approaching the bottom of the cycle. So there is a possibility that there could be a very gradual price increase. But that also depends on other macro factors such as Singapore's economic growth.
Meanwhile, private residential property prices slipped for the 9th consecutive quarter. According to flash estimates from the Urban Redevelopment Authority, private home prices dipped 0.5% from the previous quarter. Prices for non-landed homes in the core central region slipped by 0.4%, while home prices in other parts of Singapore remained largely flat. Analysts say the movements were likely quarterly fluctuations. Looking ahead, they say private property prices will continue to face pressure from interest rates normalization and the more new development expected to be completed this year.
Interest rates, they are poised to rise. Right. So these 2 factors, right, a rise in interest rates and also rents are expected to come down. Right. Many landlords will be in a disadvantageous position, right, and they might be forced to sell. And when all this selling takes place, this would put further pressure onto overall prices, especially when cooling measures are going to remain unchanged for now at least.